This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible. Yes.
Yeah, fine. So we are supposed to go with the distribution cycle with the statistical key figure. Right. So in yesterday's session, we have seen distribution cycle without statistical key figure, and let's see today with the statistical key figure. Okay. So before we look into with the statistical key figure, please have some points with respect to statistical key figures. Okay. Already I have given, it seems, statistical key figure. Okay. So I'm cutting down here. Right. So first, let me give you the points. Right. Point number 1, statistical key figure is the base on which statistical key figure is the base on which the cost of sender cost center will be distributed to the receiving cost centers. Next, point number 2, statistical key figure in a simplified terminology is the basis of distribution. Basis of distribution. Okay, so far clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let us see distribution cycle with SKF. Okay, so in this step number 1, maintain number range settings with respect to statistical key figure using KANK. Maintain number range settings with respect to statistical key figure using KANK. So we know the path for KANK already. Earlier we have seen for so many times. So directly I'm going with the code. Before that, just I'm setting the controlling area. Yeah. So give KANK in the command box. Press enter. Give the controlling area. What is our controlling area? Our controlling area will be
MMI1.
yeah. So yeah, MMI1. Give MMI1. Then click on change groups or maintain groups. click on maintain groups tab, which is with a pencil icon or pen icon. Click on that. And select actual controlling documents checkbox. Select actual controlling documents checkbox. Select actual controlling documents checkbox. Now, write down carefully. Double click on double click on double click on double click on RKP1, RKP2, RKP3, RKP4, P5, P6, P7, P8 and P9. Double click on RKP1, RKP2, RKP3, RKP4, RKP5, RKP6, RKP7, RKP8 and RKP9 under not assigned section. Under not assigned section. Understood, Manisha?
Yes. Understood.
Right. So I repeat, double click on RKP1, RKP2, RKP3, RKP4, RKP5, RKP6, RKP7, RKP8 and RKP9 under not assigned section. Not assigned section. Then continuation. Click on assign element group. Click on assign element group. Click on assign element group. Assign element group. Click on save. Click on save. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Ignore the message. Press enter. And get the message changes have been saved. And get the message changes have been saved. The next step, step number 2. Create statistical key figure. Statistical key figure. Statistical key figure using KK01. Using KK01. Create statistical key figure using KK01. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. Accounting. Controlling. Controlling. Then cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. Master data. Master data. Cost center accounting, master data. Then statistical key figures. Statistical key figures. Statistical key figures. Then individual processing. Individual processing. Individual processing. Then double click on KK01 create. Write down carefully. I said double click. Double click on KK01 create. So double click on that KK01 create. So statistical key figure is an alphanumerical code. You can use alphabets or numbers or combination of alphabets and numbers. So for my easy remembrance sake, I'm going with MMI1. It's an alphanumerical code. statistical key figure, MMI1. MMI1. So key figure MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Name. Name, let's say area occupied. Area occupied. Area is nothing but place, space, like land, room size. Getting my point?
Yes.
Area occupied. How do we measure area? What are the measurements to measure the areas?
Meter, mostly meter square.
Meters, yards, square foot, correct? SFT,
Right.
right? So that unit of measurement we need to mention here. Statistical key figure, STAT means statistical, KEY, FIG means figure, UNM means unit of measurement. So SAP has already given unit of measurements. SAP has already provided unit of measurements. So from that we should take. We need not have to create our own unit of measurements. See, these are all the unit of measurements given by SAP, provided by SAP, like cubic inch, okay, percentage, per mile, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, meters, okay, 50 minutes, ampere, activity unit, bar. So in this, there is a unit of measurement called FT2. FT2. This FT2 will indicate square foot. Visible?
Yeah, I can see.
Square foot. So give square foot here. FT2. Double click on FT2. Double click on FT2. FT2. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save and get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. So just we have created only statistical key figure. We named it as MMI1. MMI1 will speak about area occupied. Okay. And that area occupied will be measured in terms of SFTs. You got my point?
Yeah.
Right. Next step. Step number 3. Step number 3. Maintain statistical key figure. Statistical key figure. Maintain statistical key figure, or which is also called as plan statistical key figures. Statistical key figure for receiving cost centers. Receiving cost centers. For receiving cost centers using KP46. Using KP46. Using KP46. Okay. So receiving cost centers, we need to maintain statistical key figure details. That means before going KP46, let me show you /n KSH3. See, I am assuming that these three are the receiving cost centers. Okay. Production 1, 2, 3, like yesterday. Clear? And I am assuming SCRVC1 as the sending cost center. That is service providing cost center. These two are the receiving cost centers. So the cost from service 1 will be distributed to 1, 2, 3. So these 1, 2, 3 will become the receiving cost centers. Understood so far?
Yeah.
Right. So for receiving cost centers, we need to maintain the details of statistical key figure. That means, what is the statistical key figure we have created? MMI1, correct?
Yeah, right.
That MMI1 will speak about area occupied by individual cost center, correct? Right? So how much area has been occupied by each cost center we need to maintain. Okay, so that will be done in this step. That is maintain statistical key figure or plan statistical key figure for receiving cost centers using KP46. Please write down the path. It's SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, planning, write down very carefully. Double click on KP04 set planner profile. You don't need to worry about this. Just do it whatever I'm telling. So double click on KP04 set planner profile. So double click on KP04 set planner profile. Click on this drop down button. Click on this drop down button. Click on this drop down button. And here you can see, one second, SAP. Yeah, double click on SAP all. Double click on SAP all. Visible? Is it visible, please? Hello?
Yeah, it's visible. Sorry, my mic was not working.
Okay. So it can be SAP all or SAP 101. So just I'm going with SAP 101. So double click on SAP 101. Planner profile SAP 101. Press enter. Press enter. Once you press enter, you will come back to the easy access screen. Okay, continuation in your notes. Then statistical key figures. Understood, Manisha?
Yeah.
Okay. Then double click on KP46 change. Double click on KP46 change. So double click on KP46 change. So double click on that. KP46 change. Give the version 0. Give the version 0. Give the version 0. Then from period give 1 and to period give 12. From period 12 and fiscal year 2019.
Is this transaction similar to CJI2 or CJI3?
Towards?
Sorry, your CJ, yeah, for quantity change, there is a transaction. It seems like similar to that.
What quantity changes? I did not get you.
There's a transaction at CJS2.
No. That is
This
not
is different.
no,
Okay.
different. So give the version 0 from period 1 to period 12, fiscal year 2019, and cost center This is from cost center field and this is to cost center field. So from cost center, just I am giving production 1, PRODN1, production 1, and to cost center, PRODN3, PRODN3, from cost center 1, to cost center 3, remove group, remove the group if appeared, remove the group if appeared. Then statistical key figure MMI1, statistical key figure MMI1, give statistical key figure MMI1, our statistical key figure MMI1. Okay, right, just 1 second, I'll stop sharing my screen, again I'll share it. Right, I'm sharing. Yeah, hope my screen is visible.
Yes, I can see.
Right, so statistical key figure MMI1, then come down and here select form based radio button, select form based radio button, form based radio button, then click on overview screen icon on the top left. It is, this icon is something looking like a sun coming out of two hills, visible?
Yes.
Yeah, so click on this overview screen. Observe carefully, cost center, what is there? Production 1, right?
Yes.
Production 1. So for production 1, here in the field current plan value, you need to mention the area occupied by the production 1 cost center in your organization. What is the actual area? How many SFTs have been occupied by this production 1 cost center? Okay, so just I am assuming that 200 SFT. You can give any 200 SFT.
Can you repeat again just now what you said?
See, in the current plan value, you need to give the number of SFTs occupied by production 1 cost center.
Okay.
Okay, so I am assuming that production 1 cost center area is 200 SFT. So that's why I have given 200 SFT. Fine.
Yes.
Right. Continuation. Click on next combination icon, down arrow icon. Click on next combination icon. Click on next combination icon. Click on that. Now observe, cost center has been changed from 1 to 2. Earlier it was 1, now it is 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah, now maintain area occupied by the production cost center 2. I am assuming that 100 SFT. 100 SFT. Again click on next combination. Again click on next combination. Now observe, cost center has been changed from 2 to 3. Now maintain or enter area occupied by the production cost center 3. I'm assuming that 50 SFT. Continuation. Click on next combination icon. Click on next combination icon and get the message There is no valid next combination. And get the message, there is no valid next combination. There is no valid next combination. You can see the message in the bottom left side. Get the message, there is no valid next combination. Then click on save or post. Click on post. Get the message, changed data has been posted. Get the message, changed data has been posted. Right. So whatever we have done so far, let me explain once again. We have created statistical key figure called MM01 and MMI1, and for that MMI1 we have maintained number of SFTs occupied by each cost center. Correct?
Yes.
Right. So now we are done with the settings with respect to statistical key figure. Next step. Step number 4. Create distribution cycle with SKF. I use SKF. I don't want to use the complete name. SKF means statistical key figure, you know it. So create distribution cycle with SKF using KSV5 or KSV1. Create distribution cycle with SKF using KSV5 or KSV1. See, before creating distribution cycle, let me show you the distribution cycle which we have created in yesterday's session without SKF. Just for our clarity sake, I would like to show you. So /n KSV3 cycle. Yesterday we have created DISTR1, right?
Yes.
So just I am pressing enter in the segment. See, we have taken here fixed percentages, receiving rule, fixed percentages, right?
Yes.
And here in receiving tracing factor, we have given manually, we have given percentages against production 1, 2, 3. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, as we are done with the settings with respect to SKF, we don't need to give this percentages manually since we have maintained this data in SKF. Did we maintain or not?
Yes.
Okay, so now that is the reason why in the step description I have mentioned it very clearly. Create distribution cycle with SKF using KSV5 or KSV1. Okay, so
I have a question over here. Like
please.
yesterday when we were doing without SKF, right? So there we have distributed the percentage, like 50% of the total cost and 30% and 20%. But
Right.
right now we have defined a SKF with like unit as a square
SFT,
feet. Yeah.
square feet. So basing on
So in this
that,
case, how
that
will it take the amount?
yeah, SFTs maintained in the statistical key figure will be taken as basis. 200, 100, 50 we have maintained, no?
Yeah.
So what
Yes.
system will consider is while distributing, it will take like this: 200 is to 100 is to 50. This will become the ratio. This will become the base, and using this 200 is to 100 is to 50 as the base, cost will be distributed according to this ratio. Understood?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. So now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to create distribution cycle using KSV5. So give KSV5 in the command box. Give KSV5 in the command box. Press enter. Give KSV5 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on extras on the main menu. Click on extras on the main menu. cycle, then click on create, click on create, click on create, click on create. Now we are trying to create new cycle, so therefore yesterday we have created distr1. Now I am going with distr2, new cycle. Now understood?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, fine. So cycle distr2, start date 1st April 2019, 1st April 2019. Press enter, press enter. Give the text distribution cycle 2, distribution cycle 2. Click on attach segment on the top left. Click on attach segment tab on the top left. Click on attach segment. Segment name, just I'm giving segment 1, and distribution cycle segment 1. Distribution cycle segment 1. Right. Here you, oh, 1 second please. Yeah, am I audible please? Hello?
Yes, you are. Yes.
Yeah. So here segment 1 and distribution cycle segment 1. Here important one is variable portion type. Visible? Variable portion type.
Yes.
Okay. Here in this variable portion type, you need to select plan statistical key figures. Plan statistical key figures. Select plan statistical key figures for variable portion type. Plan statistical key figures. Then click on senders / receivers tab. Click on senders / receivers tab. Click on senders / receivers tab. Senders / receivers tab. Give the sender cost center like yesterday. Service 1, cost element 3,01,000 to 3,99,999. Service 1, 3,01,000 to 3,99,000. Then cost center, receiving cost center production 1 to production 3, production 1 to production 3. Continuation please. Click on sender values tab. Are you getting sufficient time to note down?
Yeah.
Okay, so click on sender values tab. Sender values tab. No need to enter anything. Just ensure that share in percentage must be 100. Share in percentage must be 100. Ensure that share in percentage must be 100. Continuation. Click on receiver tracing factor tab. Click on receiver tracing factor tab. Here version give 0. Version 0. Statistical key figure. Give the statistical key figure which we have created, MMI1. Give the statistical key figure which we have created, MMI1. MMI1. So MMI1. Statistical key figure, MMI1. Give the statistical key figure, MMI1. MMI1. Click on receiver weighing factors tab. Click on receiver weighing factors tab. Last tab. Click on receiver weighting factors. Receiver weighting factors. Click on this. Okay.
Yeah.
100 it has come. No need to worry. Just keep it as it is. Continuation. Click on sender values tab. Click on sender values tab. Sender values tab. Give the version 0. Give the version 0. Version 0. Click on senders / receivers tab. Click on senders / receivers tab. Senders / receivers tab. Click on formal check icon. Click on formal check icon. Manisha, here you need to observe one thing. When you are in this particular tab, when we are in this particular senders / receivers tab, in
Okay.
this tab only we can see this icon, formal check icon.
Okay, fine.
Okay, right? So click on formal check icon. Click on formal check icon and get the message. Formal cycle check was successful. Get the message, formal cycle check was successful. Get the message, formal cycle check was successful. Click on save. Click on save icon, something looking like a floppy. Click on save icon. Press enter. Press enter. And get the message. Get the message. Cycle distribution 2 has been saved. cycle distribution to starting date 1/4/2019 has been saved. Next step number 5. This is easy. Process expenses to the service cost center using F dash. What is the code?
Don't remember. F-02.
Correct. F-02. Process expenses to the service cost center using F-02.
One more thing, like when we clicked on receivers weighting factor, in that it was coming as 100, 100, 100. So that is fine.
No, that is fine. That will not be any problem.
Because yesterday it was coming as the percentage we gave, 50,
Correct.
20, and then. Okay.
Yeah, 50, 20. Okay. No need to worry regarding that 100. So F-02. Process expenses to the service cost center using F-02. So give F-02 in the command box, press enter. Give the document date, today's date, document type SA, company code MMI1, posting date, today's date, posting period 5, currency INR, posting key 40, 3,01,000 rent GL account. You can give salaries as well. Some expense, any expense. 3,01,000, press enter. Just I am giving 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs, amount to 2 lakhs. Need not be 2 lakhs, your own amount you can give always. Cost center, just give service 1. Text rent processing to the service 1 cost center. Text rent processing to the service 1 cost center. Posting key 50, 1,01,000 cash GL account. 1,01,000 cash GL account. Press enter. Give star in amount field, plus in text field. Give star in amount field, plus in text field. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Click on post. Click on post. Yeah, right. Next step. How much expenses we have processed to service cost center? What is the amount?
1 lakh.
2 lakhs.
Okay.
2 lakhs, no? Right? That means if we go and see that service cost center, it should show the balance of 2 lakhs rupees. Correct?
Yeah.
Let's see that. Step number 6, display service cost center balance using KSB1. Display service cost center balance using KSB1. So give KSB1 in the command box. KSB1 in the command box, press enter. Give KSB1 in the command box, press enter. Give the cost center service 1. Only give cost center, do not give any other details.
Yeah.
So give cost center service 1. Click on execute. Click on execute. See 2 lakhs, right?
Yes.
Okay. Don't confuse with this 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. These were yesterday's figures.
Yesterday's one. Yeah.
Right. So now my assumption is service cost center has incurred an expenses of rupees 2 lakhs. These 2 lakhs expenses have been incurred by service cost center 1 for providing services to production 1, 2 and 3 cost centers. Therefore, this 2 lakhs must and should be distributed among production 1, 2 and 3 cost centers. Clear?
Yes.
So for that, I would like to use distribution cycle with SKF, which we have created just now. Okay. So next step, step number 7, execute distribution cycle DISTR2 using KSV5 in order to distribute the cost of service cost center to the production cost centers. Execute distribution cycle DISTR2 using KSV5 in order to distribute the cost of service cost center to the production cost centers. Already I have given path for KSV5 in yesterday's session. I'm not going to give you again. Is that fine? Right. So give KSV5 in the command box. Give KSV5 in the command box. One second. Yeah. KSV5 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the period current period 5 to 5. Current period 5 only, no?
Yes.
Okay, 5 to 5. Fiscal year 2019. Fiscal year 2019. Ensure that, write down carefully, ensure that test run and detail list checkboxes are already selected. Ensure that test run and detail list checkboxes are already in selection mode. So give the cycle. Which cycle we have to give? Distribution 1 or distribution 2?
2. Distribution.
2. So just click on this drop down button. click on the drop down button here. It will display two, distribution 1 and distribution 2. So double click on distribution 2 cycle. Double click on distribution 2 cycle. Distribution 2 cycle. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. It will take time. See, you can see in the bottom, it is checking various tasks. Observed? Compiling AL01800 or in separate task. Bottom left side you can see.
Yes, yes.
That means whatever the settings so far we have done, all those settings are getting verified by the system. If they are correct, then only we will be succeeded. Otherwise, system will give you message, error message. Yeah, get the message, write down, get the message, processing status test run, get the message, processing status test run, and processing completed without errors. Get the message, processing status test run, and processing completed without errors. That means whatever the procedure we have followed so far, no mistakes. Continuation. Click on back. Click on back. Once we click on back, system will give us leave list. System will ask us leave list. Then click on yes. Click on yes. Write down carefully. Remove test run or uncheck test run. Remove test run or uncheck test run and click on execute. Click on execute. Get the message. Get the message. Processing status update run. Earlier it was test run, correct?
Yes.
Now it is saying update run. So write down. Get the message. Processing status update run. Processing status update run. And processing completed without errors. Processing completed without errors. I repeat, get the message, processing status update run, processing completed without errors. That means the cost of service 1 cost center has been distributed among production 1, 2 and 3. So as the cost of service cost center has been distributed, if we go and see service cost center, how much balance it should show?
0. Because
0.
we have
Let us
selected over there 100%.
correct. Let us see.
Yeah.
Let us ensure that. Step number 8. Display service cost center. Service 1 cost center balance using KSB1 and ensure that the balance is 0. The balance is 0. So give KSB1 in the command box. KSB1 in the command box, press enter. Press enter. Give the cost center SERVC1. SERVC1. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, it has been distributed, no?
Yes.
Right? Okay. Now, two lakhs has been distributed. Now, that means this cost have been distributed to production 1, 2, 3 cost centers. Let us check that. Step number 9. Display production cost centers balance using KSB1 and ensure that the cost from service cost center has been distributed to production cost centers. Display production cost centers balance using KSB1 and ensure that the cost from service cost center has been distributed to production cost centers. So give KSB1 in the command box. Give KSB1 in the command box. KSB1 in the command box. Press enter. Give production 1 from and to cost centers. Production 3. Production 3. Only give from cost center as production 1 and to cost center as production 3. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, Manisha. 114,285, 57,142, 28,571.
Yes.
Right?
Mm.
That means, see, I'll tell you one thing. Let me calculator. 200, 150, no?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So 2 lakhs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 200 divided by 350, correct?
Yes.
Is equal to 114,285.71. See here, against production 1, 114,287. Similarly, for production 2, let me make it 0. 2 lakhs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 100, no?
Yes.
Divided by 350 is equal to 57 142, right?
Yes.
Similarly for production 3, 1 2 3 4 5 into 50, right?
Yeah.
Divided by 350, 28,571.43, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the difference between, see, we don't need to give the percentages if we insert statistical key figure in distribution cycle. Yesterday we have maintained, just I'll show you both the statistical key figures, sorry, both the cycles, KSV3. Let me see, this is distribution 2. See, here we have given statistical key figure, correct?
Yes.
Let me show you yesterday's distribution 1 cycle. See, here fixed percentages, receiver rule.
Yeah.
Okay, one second, let me close this. See, it's one second. See, this is distribution 2. Receiver rule is variable proportions, right?
Yeah.
And variable proportion type is planned statistical key figures. Okay,
Yes.
this is with respect to distribution 2.
Distribution
So
2.
if we see distribution 1, receiver rule fixed percentages. After
Yes.
receiver rule, there are no further aspects.
Yeah.
In distribution 2, we have variable proportion type after receiver rule, right?
Yes.
Then in sender value, in receiver tracing factor for distribution 2 cycle, we have given statistical key figure. And if we go and see distribution 1 cycle, receiver tracing factor, are we able to see statistical key figure here?
No.
No statistical key figure. That is the reason why we have maintained these percentages 50, 30, 20. Manually we have
Yeah.
maintained.
And can you go
As we
once
have,
to that distribution 2?
and
Okay.
in here, here statistical key figure. As we have given statistical key figure, we don't need to give receiver weighing factor. System will pick up.
Okay.
Okay, we don't need to maintain percentages or basis of distribution if we give statistical key figure. Okay, if we do not use statistical key figure, only we need to mention the percentages. Understood?
Okay.
Right. Now, one more thing, while creating distribution 1 and distribution 2, see, in distribution 1, receiver cost center, production 1 and production 3, correct?
Yes.
Even in distribution 2 also same.
Yeah.
In distribution 2 also, let me, production 1 and production 3. So in both the cases it is same. Production receiving cost centers are production 1 and production 3. In distribution 2 as well, production 1 and production 3, correct?
Yeah.
That means our assumption is service cost center has provided services only to production 1, 2 and 3 cost centers, correct?
Yes.
See, it has provided services to production 1, 2 and 3. While creating distribution 1 and distribution 2 cost centers, distribution 1 and distribution 2 costs and distribution 2 distribution cycles, we assumed that service 1 cost center has provided services only to production 1, 2 and 3 cost centers. Understood?
Yeah.
But assume now my assumption is service 1 cost center has provided services to production 1, production 2, production 3 as well as to A1 and A2 cost centers. A1 and A2 cost centers. Not only to these 3 cost centers, it has provided services to these 2 cost centers as well. In that case, how do I need to maintain? I cannot maintain like this here, no? Production 1,
No,
production 3.
Then and maybe we can create a group or
Correct. We can
multiple.
create a, yes, we can create a group. Here you have the group, right?
Okay.
So in that group, you need to add all the receiving cost centers to whom service cost center has provided services, rendered services.
Okay, is there multiple selection option or anything like where we can enter? How we can create a group?
We can create a group. We can create a group. So that is what we are going to see. Scenario C.
Okay.
So far we have created 2 distribution cycles, no?
Yeah.
One is distribution cycle without SKF. Second one is distribution cycle with SKF. Okay. Third one, C, distribution cycle with the cost center group in which receiving cost centers will be added manually. Receiving cost centers will be added manually. Distribution cycle with cost center group in which receiving cost centers will be added manually and without SKF. Without SKF. With SKF also we can see, but for easy understanding, I'm going with without SKF. Okay.
Yeah.
Step number 1. Step number 1.
Ajay, can we continue this session tomorrow?
Comfortably.
I mean, or Monday.
Comfortably.
Monday.
Yeah, very much.
Just a minute, I'll note down this topic.
Yeah.
Because
In fact,
today
I
is
was
the last date of end of quarter, so there are too much of noises.
work.
That's why. Yeah.
Actually, I was about to say let us continue to next session.
Yeah, we'll continue on the next session. Yeah.
Okay, right.
Okay. Okay, I'll just note it down and then.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
Shall I?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice weekend, Manisha.